Repolyo. So, inito na naman ako ni King. Hi guys. Hi guys! Welcome to the first episode of Sundays with PC and Casey. I'm PC and I'm Casey. So when we are on our way to withdraw. Withdraw what? Dili mo withdraw. Magkuan. How though? I didn't like this. We're on our way to Carbon. Para mag-uwi ng Carbon. Para mag-siyang gilisod-sud. Oh, ang Carbon is palitan na puno ng mga masustansya. PC will buy me flowers. Nothing. Hello, pala decision. I've never said that. No, I won't. Hi guys! So, dari kami kuman sa palitanan ng mga flowers. Shop market. For shop? Flower supermarket. Huh? Yeah. Flower supermarket. Yeah, ang baka magsugod ba ako na pagawas na ta. Hello, oo. So, pagawas na kami ng Flower Supermarket. Dapat kami oil. Okay. Do. Di ba makaudyo na kanta kay Juan si Lola na ako? So, bye guys. Hipuso na naman phone kay Basi Kawato. Annyeong. Cabbage. Kahit ako. Sige. Easy. Ako guys, lilagay sa madunggan. Ano ba? Sige na, auto ako din.
Ay, liso?
Yeah. Gog sila pa yun. The struggle of a vlogger. So then very hard pala to be a vlogger, you know. There's so many mga karels. The reality of being a vlogger is very hard, you know. There's so many struggles in life. There's so many realizations. Diba? Inong ganit ko. Kakasabi lang. Pro tip, bring your bestie. Ay, ikaw, palit. Somewhere far away. Somewhere down. This is the reality of our Sunday. Yeah, and we're going to find backpack and buko juice there. Yes, our after Changi reward. So we rent a entire jeep to CNL. In love na siya guys. Wala na may guys, sponsorship. Wala na may princess treatment. Yes. Okay. Siyempre, for 5 minutes na itong girin mo. Hey guys! Pag what? So it's already night, di ba? It's already night and we got the goods. Yeah, the goods. And later, we are falling like the stars. She's falling in love. So we're gonna eat. Ta-da! Hi guys.
Hi na isan.
Bye
So bye
guys.
guys. That is all for today.
Day.
Sunday.